Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Facebook edit action button option not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, we're gonna go to this Facebook option. We're gonna open up our app and we're gonna go to this menu option given in the bottom right, and then I'm gonna go to my account and I'm gonna tap on this three dot beside. And now if I say that I do not have that edit action option, this edit action button, because that has been simply removed, now it is actually available on the page. So I'm going to switch to the page and then I'm going to go to my page profile, right, and I'm going to tap on this three dot. Now I will find the edit action button. Now it is available on the pages of the Facebook but not on your Facebook account. So that is how easy it is. If you want to simply access it, you have to switch to page, but it is not available to your own account. So that is basically it, guys. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.